You are looking at some of the works of the world's most destructive bot, from continuously creating folders on your desktop to downloading images on the internet you have no idea about, all the way to doing certain things. And I named it Felix. This bot lives up to its creation to the extent that in order to show you some, if its features, I need to modify some of the code just so I could keep my laptop after this video. Let's get into it and see what Felix can do. So this bot is primarily a chatbot that can be integrated into any application or website. It has a lot of advanced features, including the ability to answer almost any question. So let's see that in action and really know why this bot got the title it has. So we say hello, it replies, and then we switch to our desktop. We see that we continuously get folders created for us. Probably should stop the code now. And this code is actually modified so I can show it to you. In its real code, it does not wait for a second in order to create new folders. Coming up, we are going to see it continuously change the wallpaper of your desktop, take up all the space in your storage drive by continuously downloading pictures of birds, all the way to deleting your most active folder. But first, let's look at its ability to live on the internet. Felix's playground is the internet, so let's see certain things it can do. Let's ask it to list 5 states in America in alphabetical order. And let's see what it does after it replies. Coming to the desktop, we see a new folder here titled Unknown. Double-click, and we see that Felix is constantly downloading pictures of birds into this folder. Again, I have modified this code to show you. In its original version, it does not do it in the desktop, it hides itself in some folder somewhere, and as long as you are connected to an internet, it will continue to do so. So by now you have seen how Felix operates. Whatever information you ask it, sure it will answer, but it will take something from you. Let me know in the comment section if it is something you can get behind. We'll love to hear from you. So to see some of its other features, let's continue to ask it some questions. You think programmers will ever be replaced by AI? It replies, well, that's good news, eh? But let's check what Felix asked for in return. And it changes our desktop background pictures every second. Well, I guess he is a football fan, so that's something right. If you think this is just the end, you are wrong. Felix can play any music files in your machine just for fun. And that is why, after creating this bot, I also made a self-destruct code, where Felix terminates itself forever when it sees it has gone too far. I also can run the command, and we will see that soon. You should always have that in check when you are doing something like this. Let's check the music playing mechanism. Again, we ask it a question, how are you doing? And there we go. It found some sound effects and it will continue to play them. We have deleting your most active folder, but I ain't gonna try that. I am sorry, but I just love my active folders. And just like you saw for its ability to do stuff on the internet, it can download videos as well. It also has the ability to predict usernames and passwords with little or no details and save them in a PDF format. You want to see that? Let's ask Felix for the best foods in Europe. It replies, now can we check our desktop? And we get a document file. In there, as you can see, it has generated over 20 usernames and passwords for a user with little information. I am going to leave you to your imagination here. But yes, I know what you are thinking. There are so many features I will like to show you, but let's just climax this all with the self-destruct code. Well, Felix, you did not have to be dramatic about it. It was fun exploring the most destructive bot ever created. Let me know what you think in the comment section and if it deserved its name. Please like, share and smash that subscribe button. It really means a lot. And until the next video, adios.